In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove ChatGPT's most common words. This process is particularly useful if you want to streamline your interactions with the AI or customize the output to better fit your needs. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type ChatGPT. This will direct you to a list of search results related to ChatGPT. Now, look for the official ChatGPT website link among the results. Clicking on this will take you directly to the ChatGPT page. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, take a moment to log in if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll need to select a previous chat that you've had with ChatGPT. This is the conversation you're going to work with to remove the common words. Typically, these words can include filler-like phrases that you might find redundant or repetitive in many of your interactions. Once you've selected the chat, it's time to craft a specific prompt to guide the AI in identifying and removing those common words. A good example of such a prompt would be rephrase sentences, remove and change AI's most common words. By framing it this way, you're guiding ChatGPT to focus on transforming those repetitive phrases, which can help in making the conversation more unique and aligned with your preferences. You've crafted your prompt, now go ahead and type it into the input field. Double-check to ensure that you've addressed the exact words or phrases you wish to see reduced or removed from the conversation. This focus aids the AI in understanding precisely what you're aiming to refine. After entering your prompt, simply click on the Submit button. This action sends your instructions to ChatGPT, and in a moment, the AI will process your request. You'll notice the changes applied to the chat and observe how the phrases are rephrased or removed based on your guidance. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to removing ChatGPT's most common words from your conversations. This method not only helps in creating concise interactions, but also allows you to customize the dialogue according to your unique preferences and needs. Remember, practicing this a few times will make the process habitual, and you can refine your instructions further each time for even more tailored results. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and tricks with AI tools,